All right. You know what I want to?
What?
Congratulations.
Hey, congratulations now. Now new month.
Okay, man. Just thank you.
Yes.
You're my guy. Don't know why you be my guy.
Yeah.
Congratulations to everybody.
Yay!
Happy new month. It's the beginning of a beautiful month.
Yes.
And I hope it's the beginning of new things for everybody.
Amen.
Now, party with them. My name is Namayawa, and of course, Ogbolode here with me. And
Peace,
we don't enter in the Afrobeat way.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
You know, we enter in grand style. Sometimes we just enter, we just come. Sometimes we come on a calm note. Sometimes we just enter. Today we enter.
Yes. Today we just
we enter.
In the kerekeji.
Mode.
From you know, maybe we not just to cause wahala.
Yes.
In a very, very subtle way.
Subtle.
The B is silent.
Repeat after me.
Subtle.
No.
You know, what that B did there for the spelling?
I don't know. You can't hear the B is silent. That be like, my name is Django.
What
The
be
B
the
is
B?
silent.
Yeah. Or they say
The H is silent.
spell knife. N-I-F-E, knife.
Yo, what's the K?
They say K-N-I. What be that K?
No problem.
Knife.
Knife.
It's knife, all right? That K is silent. Then quiet the guy come up on that
Okay, wait.
place.
Now that one pay you. What of philosophy?
Philosophy. Huh?
Philosophy. Why no F-I?
F-I. It's gonna
P-H-Y.
What do you mean? That. Let me philosophy. Let me PH. I don't know why these people they do all this thing. You know, how person just wake up one day how they confuse English and
I
spelling.
agree totally.
I mean,
I agree totally. Welcome to the show, Paddy now your favorite show, whether you like it or yes. And I just want to make una know, say we have come to stay. We are not really going anywhere much. So the earlier you accept it and love it, the better for you, because we're going to be flooding your full screen. Yes. So that is the thing.
Yes.
So this one is not be threat. We just they tell you.
Yes.
Say we are here.
Yes.
So just like us now. Save yourself the stress.
Yes.
That is
Save yourself the stress.
Save
and
yourself the
love
stress.
us just the way we are.
Just the way we are.
Save yourself the stress.
Say.
And love us just the way.
Just the way
we are.
We are.
All right, so we'll go for one break now. Quickly. We'll use one video to do one. By the time we come back, we'll come and announce, as usual, for our Yan the Yan levels. All right, so don't go anywhere. They come back.
Wow. No go do anything. Too short.
Abi.
The one when I know now how to make veil. As when I even see any veil now, I go turn onto top. No, where you go feel on top jeans.
The one what Sabi do, now small. If I get like handkerchief now, I've turned to boxers.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, or you know, G-string. You gotta say do one. Robo. You go time. You just wear. You like tongue. You like this.
Creativity. Like for example now, when I go see, what be the possibility say this thing when I dey wear self no be gown?
This one, Abi?
What be the
No,
possibility
because
say
you women, they deceive us with
but
many
you know say na my way.
I know, of course. No one let them.
Okay. So yeah, creativity.
Your carry wrapper enter your rug. Just tie rug somehow. I guess you could take do one.
Una no go know. Una go think say na better cloth.
You understand? The next day again, you just come do one like this again. The thing go turn to gown. Una go just for our mind.
It's called productivity.
Productivity and creativity.
Yeah. That means this kind of one now, if you go, it maybe like I go do makeup for one bride now. Maybe by mistake they step on our wedding gown. The thing just tear for side.
Yeah.
Somebody like me now, you get us, you go take do and. You go just form another style. Wow. My brother, I cannot come and go and kill yourself.
That's it.
Give us the idea.
Now creativity and
creativity exploitation.
And exploitation. Hey.
Oh, well, this juice, you have to do like this.
Hey, the word is something else.
Yes.
Now, wow.
Yes. Yes.
Let me stop. Hey. Now, so?
You have to do
ha.
It's okay. Stop it there. Only there in the ah. No, close. 50 years old Kamaru Oladele. Kamaru Oladele for inside Oyo State. For Oyo and Osun State, as a matter of fact. Now, Kamaru na native doctor. Native doctor now, all these Babalawo people there. All these people, all spiritualists for people who know, understand in case you're in the diaspora. Now, Kamaru in the Ogun and the Oyo State there, he have where he used to sell human being.
Yeah.
As I talk to you, Kamaru, they do fortune charms. And they do like medicine to get money for people. Now, in some of these medicine, they go need human parts. Do you know, say, as me and you, they talk now, abattoir for human parts, they for inside Oyo and Ogun State?
Oh, God do.
For inside Osun and Oyo State.
God do.
Abattoir, where we say, then they sell, in contact, say, they sell these human parts. Say, now the first time when do and be this, now they catch them. Say, because they get where they buy them. So if you want to buy human head, you get for 25K, you get for 30K.
Hi, God.
You go just go there, but say, any human being parts where you want, then go give it for there. In fact, when police raid in place, they say roasted human skull. So what did they pay me be say, it no even cost. You don't understand.
You know even 25K,
no wonder they fit
30K.
give person 50,000 make a kidnap key person. Because he go sell the head 25,000. If he sell the hand like 5,000.
Human being.
For God's sake.
Human being head 25K.
Not even waiting they pay me. Oh, but I say abattoir. You know how you will get abattoir for meat?
For meat
they
now.
They get abattoir for human parts. Any human body where you define.
No, they for ground.
Now the Baba be that.
God go judge. Oh.
He talk say he go buy the human parts for 10,000 from other people. So he go cancel and 25,000, 30,000 for the people who want to do the jazz. You don't understand? So in the reselling a retail, retail seller,
middleman.
Middleman.
From
so
the
final consumer
will
come buy them for 25. So if they fit sell human being from the main source at 10,000, how much then go kill human being?
They kill
human being.
They kill human being for 5K now.
My brother.
The world we are living in. No, you reach to do Omashe.
Oh. Now you understand what I say. Now, you do those things.
I understand very, very well.
It's okay.
When the whole world they think of how to take improve things, they think of how they kill our fellow person. Can't get abattoir for human parts.
Yes.
Human being will not create. You take your hand, dig a bush around.
Make I can't tell you. They say in contact say the human abattoir say where ritualists they buy human parts and resell them. Say they located for Amuloko and Kota villages in Oyo and Osun State, respectively.
People know. I don't even know where I want to start talk from. But however, Mo just live like that. Mo live because he get they pay me way different. One of you express. If I express now, it no go too good. But any which way, God way they go judge the whole matter last. Why human being will go buy a fellow human being part? Ha! Crazy. Well, make I from there jump. I beg, shake it up. I have to shake it up. It's not go worry me. Okay, so now this one for inside Sweden. See, the world is becoming better. Nigeria, Nemo follow suit too. This one now, this particular guy, a Swedish guy, for one village of, they call the village Viking village.
Wow.
So don't carry my glass. They pose now.
Must you stay in between your G's?
They carry my glass.
You cannot even overlook something.
They do yanga up and down.
Do your yanga.
Wow. Well, so now we don't hear of some kind of restaurants for China or something where you go enter, nobody there to serve you, but you feel just to do some kind of things by yourself. You understand? Now, you don't get completely staff-free convenience store. Now, I say if you walk and enter this store, everything where you want buy or anything where you want buy, you get one app where they don't do already. Maybe you just carry the thing, just run and buy the app. It go tell you the amount you're supposed to pay, and you go pay the money. Your credit card or whatever, your shoe can inside, come out there. Nobody did that to tell you, say, do like this, do like this, do like that. So now completely unstaffed store, staff-free store. Now this one be.
Wow.
The reason why they start this particular level now, when the person we create the app, Apple now don't even authorize them to, don't approve the whole level. The guy, his name is Robert. He just one day say he run out of baby food. He can't need to drive one long distance before he go see pikin food to buy. Now I say, for this our small village where we did, it was good say we no just get any store, we no just make sense. So he say, okay, fine. For that particular place, he go create this app. As he create the app finish, Apple can approve the app. So now, people there for that in village now, if you just enter that place,
and say, he's making money.
And he's making money.
Money.
And last now, the guy say, people don't ask and say, okay, people who want thief and all that. I say, before you enter that store, they already get waiting go fit identify, scan you, and all that, you know, and whether you want to even carry fake credit card, come they come spoil some kind of things. The thing you just run your data sharp before you come to do anything like transaction inside the store.
I'll tell you what, you know, say this kind of thing, it gets one gist we've been talk one time of one country. I'm not sure whether now, I don't think it's China or somewhere, where we say then gets this kind of thing too. Where we say that one, even food store.
Nah, China or Japan.
You go enter, buy anything where you want, buy cameras there. Yes, it go scan everything where they do as well. Now, you can't know waiting sweet papers, but say, all these ones, it is easy for them to do. You know why? Because they get database.
They get data. They get data now.
You get some people where be say, you know where they talk now, make a no color before they go talk say with they spoil one country and another. You go to go find that register about somebody, you know go see his name.
No. You know go see him. You know
go see his name.
Now the more don't even call the country, but we know the country.
We know. So this one are because they get database. So another thing is if the government can do, you know, convenient way of identifying people, because you know say even plenty crimes there for solve them assuming data.
Of course,
assuming plenty data. There's some
plenty.
People the moment where they burn them, they don't even know.
And I said that they say maybe they put fingerprints for everything. You won't do one form, fingerprints. What will they keep them for? Well, they don't say last, you know that thing is of no use. You understand? How many people last now go say, okay, let me see everything about you now, my wife for this. We'll go find
you know, say in the diaspora, in the Oyibo place, if they need something, if you toast me, I'm not sure. All I need to do is do a background check on you.
Now.
Whether you don't go to jail before, whether you get criminal records, whether you don't do something great,
whether you don't thief money before.
You know these things.
Nothing.
But, you know, we thank the Lord. That's
anyway, but for their own side, we thank God. Say, you know, this thing, for me now, it just shows say the world, they improve. Only say, where me, I get problem with this issue. They say now, they render human beings them jobless.
Jobless.
You understand? If they carry more work, give computer, and give
and that's a fear.
This thing, more people don't turn jobless. So last, even as the world, they improve for technology, may you as human being, they get your own brain
ideas, because as much as they render people jobless, now still one person brain think this thing. So that means even you can do something to make money without having to work for anybody.
Exactly. Last. Now the points with that.
Because if you carry this thing go some kind of country, that's scanner and they go thief first.
Bam. Walai. You don't put scanner for that place. That scanner, you don't go see him. You don't go. Chef scan. Make I not talk the country. We know the country. That scanner. We're not going to see him again, no.
Chai! Let's go and break him back. Hey, whoa, Salova. Chai.
Creativity.
Yeah. It's quite abundant in us. Use your own.
They use all those, that's their song, they do choir song.
Yes.
Lord, you want it. Crazy.
Okay, watch me. All right.
Church, but I have got money. Chris.
You remember any Westlife song?
I wonder how,
I wonder where we are. You know the part where I reaching for a love that feels so far. So I say I live in prayer, and all my tears will take me there. Where the skies are blue, I see you once again, my love. So I see you once again. I find a pleasant place. Where the skies are blue, I see you once again, my love.
No, coast to coast.
Yes.
Coast to coast. Now be that song.
The title of the song. Westlife.
I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna be there with you, in everything you do. I wanna grow. But you know what I like?
Which one?
When you're looking like that.
When you're looking like that.
She's all dressed up and
So I did you, love you. I was supposed to live you now. When you're looking like that, I can take it. I don't want it back. I don't want to get down without. I don't want to get my life without you. Am I supposed to leave you now?
Oh, when you're looking like that.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Calm it down. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Now, thank you. Wolves are breathing. And out. In. Out. You okay? Okay.
You have not learned that one.
No.
No, it's from the temple of.
No, but when you do that, you can shake. I can't.
Oh, that's you cannot shake.
Yeah,
you cannot
I can't.
shake. You know, no.
Yeah,
Now if it's shake.
No, I can't do that.
No, you cannot do.
No, I can't do that. It's going to be catastrophic.
No.
Yeah.
Wiggle.
Yeah. I can't.
There'll be too much rhythm. Wiggle. Shush.
Yeah. Wiggle.
Yeah, wiggle.
Former Westlife singer. That is what? Shane Filan. What is that his name again? Shane Filan. Now, this 23-year-old girl, she been get skin cancer.
Wow.
Now, the skin cancer don't spread for everywhere. Then tell her say she get only 3 months to live. And one of her dying wish was she would like to see this particular former Westlife singer. And her younger sister come open foundation. You know this help her meet Shane something on top Facebook. And the guy can't eventually see him. And the guy had to travel last week Friday all the way from Ireland in carry go meet the woman for Great Billings for Northampton. He had to go meet the girl for there. So that's a really beautiful thing. Emma, her name. Emma had a huge smile on her face. It was the loveliest afternoon for her. She has always been a huge fan of Westlife. She went to both their farewell concerts and even flew over to Dublin to see them without telling us. I only found out she's gone when I found the tickets in her bag.
Yeah.
Now her sister, they talk that one now.
Okay.
Now he make the sister come out, go do this particular one. In fact, the guy give him the original CD, come autograph him. Upon saying travel, all expense paid by him from where in day for inside Ireland, come meet her for Northampton for inside Great Billings.
Well, from a celebrity to a fan, I mean, a very beautiful thing. I mean, last, because you know, guy wants to look at because last, people did where just like this Jumoke story, who they talk now. You understand? It could surprise you how many things at least one celebrity if you do for one fan with the outside there. It will surprise you.
Even Casey did something like that.
Yes, now
when he been dash one young student
300K and motto.
You know,
so more people can do more stuff. You know, even though some they do too, many they do, but they go down.
But I think we need to hear more. Square that year of one particular Pekin, we get one of the prosthetics.
Exactly.
It's small Pekin, you know. So,
but anyway, which way, but for this one, a very, very beautiful story.
The fact saying travel from another town to another town, all for her sake. I mean, it's lovely.
Yeah, it's very, very spiritual.
Yes, it's very contemptuous.
Very, very
mandubious. Yeah.
Exactly. You know, when you cannot find words,
you just let it flow.
You let it flow.
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 Pain, my brother.
It depends.
Gaga.
It depends.
Gaga. It depends me welly.
Gaga.
Cha.
Oh, talara.
It's very painful.
Oh, it pain.
You know the thing is that this video we don't play them before, but people like them. So they say make we play them again.
On popular demand. They say, please play it again for us to watch it. And play it again for many girls to learn.
All right, so I'm just going to give you how to reach us real quick, you understand? Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, you understand? At Wazobia Paddy. Follow him at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter. Follow me at Mayawa Lambe. I'm also Mayawa Ekpo in the Instagram place. Him is at Ogbolo in the Instagram place. Follow the station at Wazobia NG. And if you now say you want to be a YouTube person, it's not really hard. YouTube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for Paddy. The same thing for your Facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG. You're going to search for Paddy and you're going to find us there. And on this note, over to him. You got anything to say?
So quickly, we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you. And at the same time, please send us tweet message at Wazobia Paddy. We are waiting to read from you. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Peace, yo. We love you. If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.